Despite huge outcry across the nation, Karnataka government has reportedly given a nod to 5 more junkets. The next batch of MLAs will be leaving in September. Remember, Public Undertaking Committee had gone on a 17-day tour, which include Argentina, Brazil, Peru and Chile. After CM Jagdish Shettar cleared jaunt of over 150 MLAs after they refused to give up holiday of state at the state exchequer's cost.
Where exactly are you going?
We are going to Argentina, Brazil and Peru.
Okay.
Today we'll go and stay in Dubai. Tomorrow early morning we'll move.
And so what is the purpose of this
Study tour.
Okay. Sir, there is a reason that in Karnataka there's a drought-like situation.
In my taluka there is no drought. There's sufficient rain, very good crops. People bless me and send me.
Okay, but sir, what is the purpose of taking
Now-
families along with this?
So family is a part of us. We are paying for them. We are paying from our pocket and taking them.
Sir, you also had a logic that if the state can spend on Kasab, they can surely spend on Congress. What exactly is this logic, sir?
Pardon?
If the state can spend on Kasab, they can Ajmal Kasab, they can spend on you also. That was the logic you had explained earlier, sir.
No. See, for the terrorists, the government has spent a lot of money. We are the part and parcel of the state. We are serving the states. For we are studying that country, how is developing and other things. For that we are going. There is no wrong, I don't think.
But this money what you're spending, sir, can be used for the farmers in your state and they are under severe conditions because of the drought, sir.
Now drought has been solved. Now there is a good rain and now everything is getting settled.
But sir, the ex-chief minister, Mr. Yedurappa, is saying that your presence is required in Karnataka because you're the ex-official chairman of so many taluks and all that, and you require your presence over there. MLAs are required.
MLAs, yes, I am for my taluka it is well and good. Everything is fine in my taluka.
But at least 100 MLAs from Karnataka going for this, sir.
Not now, at a time, and different group they are going.
But and in this group, how many are going, sir?
13 MLAs and MLCs.
So total how many?
13 MLAs and MLCs and their family and officials.
Okay, sir.
And Dhanya Rajendran now joins me on the phone line. Dhanya, despite the massive outcry over this issue, 5 more junkets have been cleared, and that's not all. The Chief Minister has remained silent on the issue so far. And also these MLAs seem to have a very, very bizarre explanation for their junkets when a state is affected so severely by drought.
Well, Nupur, the clearance for the junkets came earlier, in fact, almost a month ago. The news really today is that the government will now clear the dates for these junkets. In fact, what we've learned is that hundreds of MLAs have given their passports for applying for visas. And once this is done, the dates are going to be announced for the new junkets. That is, the other House committees of the Karnataka Assembly will now start leaving for their study tours to different countries. The first batch, of course, left yesterday to Argentina, Peru, Brazil and Dubai. Now there are at least 5 or 6 more trips which will happen over the next 1.5 months. And what we're learning is that the dates will be announced sooner or later.
Right, Dhanya Rajendran, thanks very much for joining us. That's the developing story we are following on Times Now this morning.